Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Stephanie, but you can call me Steph. And on today's video I'm gonna show you a bit how my days went this week. So this is the outfit for the day. It's just this jacket. It's actually from my mom. And then I only have this long sleeve, my blazers, and yeah, let's go. Hey guys, so I just received 2 packages and I just wanted to show you what I got. Let's start with AliExpress, which is a little bit random, I would say. So I got was this set of like toiletries and stuff. Is a pack of 8 pieces. This one has like these flower details. It has a lot of pockets. It's really pretty. And then the last thing I got from AliExpress is like this set to just organize your stuff in your bag. It has 8 pieces. Then Sephora. I didn't get a lot of stuff, but I got this perfume. I don't know if you can see it, but it's the Brazilian Crush Cheirosa 68. I already smell it. It smells amazing. And I got the hair mask from Gizu. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but yeah, it's just this one. Looks like this. And I got that viral TikTok. I'm gonna open it so you can see it better. But that viral TikTok, you know, the like the pocket thing for your perfume, you know, that you can refill whatever you want with whatever perfume you want. So it's this size. Just open it. And then I got the viral TikTok lip mask. Let me open it for you. So it's just the lip mask and it comes with a little spatula. And the last 2 things I got an exfoliator for my body from Drunk Elephant. I wanted to try it out, see if it's good. So yeah. And then last thing, I got this just to see if it actually makes like a difference on the makeup. And if it does, then I'm gonna get like the actual version, like the big version. But I got the POREfessional primer from Benefit. Looks like this. Again, it's like the mini version, just because I wanted to try it and see if you can actually see like the difference between a normal primer and this one. Okay, so I'm gonna show you my makeup routine. It's super simple, and I have to say that I don't do makeup very well, so just bear with me on that. I'm gonna just put these little hair clips on my hair to just take it out of my face. Also, if you have some tips on how to do proper makeup, please let me know, because I could really use some tips. I'm gonna be showing you like the products I'm gonna use. So first we have to prime our face, so I'm gonna use the Benefit one. I haven't used it yet, so let's see if it's good or not. Oh, it's a tinted primer, so it kind of is like a foundation almost, or pre-foundation. Let's see how well it blends on my face. and if I need to use any foundation. It's super smooth and it smells so nice. Okay, I'm liking it so far. I need to buy a new foundation because currently I'm using this one from Kiko, but I need to buy a new one because this one is finishing it and I already have it for a long time, so I just want to experience a new one. Also, these are my brushes, super cute, pink. I'm gonna try the tart shape concealer that I showed you in a few hauls ago. Again, I'm not the best at this, but if you have some tips, just let me know because I really could use some. Yeah, so I think it's too bright for my face, but we'll make it work, right? Yeah, so it's all blended. Again, I look like a oh my god, I look so bad. It's okay, it's okay, I can fix that. Then I'm gonna use this stick contour from Kiko. Again, I need a new one. This one, I don't know, I have mixed feelings about this one, but I go with a little brush to just put it on my nose, like so. So it's a stick one, so I put it here on my forehead and then all over my chin because we need to hide that double chin I have. I put a lot on my chin, I know. You know. Blush now to try and wait. Try and give some color to my face. And I'm gonna use the Rare Beauty Stay Vulnerable. And you really just need a bit because it's super pigmented and we don't want to look like clowns, so you see, I put a lot. I'm gonna use Kiko's highlighter. Let me show you. Super pretty, smells super nice. Super cute. I normally don't I normally don't put highlighter. Focus. There we go. I normally don't put highlighter, but since we're doing this video, and this product, I don't know the name, but it's like a gel cream, and I think this is the brand, but I'm not sure. I can leave the link down below. I really like it. It blends nicely with the brows. Yeah, everyone does like a good eyebrow and then one that is not that good, and that's me for sure. Just put some mascara on. You will see it's not that bad. So yeah, I'm gonna curl my lashes. Some mascara, and I'm gonna use the, but look at the difference, like. So yeah, look at that. I'm gonna use some setting powder all over my face, fixing spray, and I use this one. I'm just gonna spray all over my face. Lips, I'm gonna use this little lipstick that I bought on AliExpress. It's super cute. I thought it was cute, that's why I bought it, but to be honest, I really like it. Like, I like the color. It's kind of natural. Let me show you. Let me just put my glasses on to actually see what I look like. I kind of like it. What do we think? This is the outfit of today. I'm wearing this little white crop t-shirt with this pink vest, some jeans, and my done clothes. And yeah, I'm gonna bring a sweater. So this is the sweater I'm taking in case I get cold. Great viewing, right? And this is the purse I've shown you all. Let's go because I'm late. Okay, so I just got some mail, some things I've ordered like for fall. Just give you a little haul of what I've received. So from Bershka, I just bought 2 things. I know I'm late to the trend. I got this shoulder bag. It has like a unique, you know, like shape to it. It's not like your normal shoulder bag. I think this is like an essential for fall, also for winter. Like you can dress it up for winter. I'm talking too much and not showing it, but it's just a plain black leather jacket, full length. It's size medium, but like I say, I'm gonna give the links down below in case you want to shop anything. And that's it for Bershka. And then from Pool, I got a lot of stuff. First one, I got this. I have a lot of crew necks and sweatshirts and stuff, but like I don't have like many, how do you call this, like this material, you know. So I got this one. I think it's gonna be really nice even with the leather jacket. Again, for the shoulder bag trend, I got like this one, just plain black one, but it has like a moon shape to it. Again, it's not like the, this is more like the viral tote bags, no, like shoulder bags, but again, it's just different for me. And then since I had the white, I had the black, I needed to get like a color one, but also like not like a pachang color one, you know, like a normal color. So I got like this green one. I think it's so pretty. Like I saw it and I was like, I need to get this. Like if I'm gonna be into the trend, I'm gonna be into the trend in a good way. So, and then I also got this tote bag. It's just for like normal days when you're gonna go somewhere. So it's just pink in this like material, and you have like a pocket outside, and then it's just your normal tote bag, normal size. And then last but not least, I got some Clogs. I think that's how you call it, but it's these types of shoes. I know it's not like the taste of everyone, and to be honest, I didn't even know if I was gonna like it. But then the more I saw outfits, and the more some days I don't want to wear like shoes, like sneakers and stuff, the more I want to have like these types of, you know, other kinds of shoes. So I bought these clogs, and also that didn't came in the mail, but I got like some fake Ugg boots. I'm gonna show you in a minute. I just need to get it. But yeah, this is all from Pull & Bear. I'll leave the links down below if in case you want to purchase anything. So I went and grabbed the boots. They look like this. Looks like the Uggs one. I already worn it a lot of times because they're really cute, super comfy, and they look like this inside. It's really warm, to be honest, and I bought it on this store. So yeah, they're a size 37 European size, and I really recommend these ones because, as you can see, Uggs, Clogs, these type of stuff are just trends. They can go like out of trend, so I decided not to spend a lot of money on the Uggs one and just buy this one. They're really cute. They look like the Uggs one, and like I said, I really worn them a lot. So I just arrived home and I'm gonna be doing some cookies, some chocolate chip cookies. So let's see. It's supposed to be really easy. I think you just need this stuff, like the stuff it's inside, and 1 egg. That's all. So let's see. And since I'm filming today, I'm gonna do a face mask, and I'm gonna do this one. The face mask is done. Now it's time to do the rest of the skincare routine. So now we're headed to the animal shop to buy a fish. So let me just show you the outfit of the day. So it's just this brown sweatshirt, some jeans, and my clogs. And yeah, let's go buy a fish. I just got home from a little shopping. I needed to return something or either like exchange it for something else, and I did at Sephora or Sephora. I never know how to say it. So I originally bought like the Drunk Elephant body lotion, but I thought it was something else, and I opened it and it didn't smell like anything, so I exchanged it. I'm sorry for the mess in my room. I need to clean it up, and also it's the mess I'm about to show you. So I exchanged it for the Brazilian Boom Boom Cream, which I already showed you in the try on haul, but I bought like the mini version of it because I didn't know the smell. Let me just take this jacket off because I just arrived. So yeah, I bought like the little one, but I really loved it. Like, it's my favorite cream scent. Like, it's amazing. So I decided to buy the bigger one, and since I needed to exchange something, I just felt like I might as well do it. Also bought like an umbrella because mine is broken. I bought this one. It says La felicidad es mi estilo de vida, which is happiness is my style of life. And yeah, it's just lilac. You cannot see it very well, but I bought 2 bras, black one and a white one, and then these clear bra straps because I needed some. What else? I bought this Garnier Skin Active Vitamin C. It's really nice. It helps you with like the blemishes you have and the scars from the pimples. It's really good. I like it. I bought this like mug to take my coffee when I start work again. You have like a lid. It's pink. It's really nice. And then this organizer, like the viral organizer from TikTok and stuff, to put your skincare, makeup, whatever you want or need. And I'm really excited to just fill it up with stuff. And yeah, that's it for the little haul. Begin with the books. So it's The Seven Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. The other book I bought was from Colin Hoover's, All Your Perfects, the new one. I think this is the new one. It Starts With Us. So I'm really excited. One, which I've seen a lot on TikTok. People we meet on vacation. This one, which I got in Portuguese. I think it was the only one I got in Portuguese, but it's also a famous one on TikTok. The only thing I need to do is change the clothing rack, which I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna select the pieces that I want to put up. So yeah, this is it for now, because I don't really know what to add, and I don't really know like what color schemes, just because I have more like whites and creams for winter and autumn. But I also wanted to add like some darker pieces, so let's see. Thank you very much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoy it, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.